how to link PS5 GTA account to your PC. Now, in order for this to work, then we'll just have to connect our PSN to the GTA Social Club. So for us to do that, just simply pull up any preferred web browser for your PC and go ahead directly to rockstargames.com's official site. Once you're here, log into your Rockstar Games account and go to your profile right here and hover your mouse to account and go to settings. Now we are going to be provided with a bunch of options, especially the linked accounts. So in here you see profile, privacy, linked accounts, avatar, email, and two-step verification. So all I have to do is go to linked accounts, and these are going to be all the platforms is going to be visible right here for you to be able to connect, link your account to GTA. Now, I already connected my PlayStation Network account to GTA, but if you haven't linked it yet, then this logo right here will stay down or will stay one of these options right here. So for you to be able to make this work, just simply click on link account and you will be redirected to PlayStation Network's official website. Will be asked to log into your account, and after that, everything will be confirmed. So that's it. That's the most convenient way of connecting your PS5 GTA account to your PC.